In this video, I will show how you can make this map line animation in After Effects. First of all, import your map image, then go to Pen Tool and turn off the fill and add stroke. And set stroke width. Then make a point at starting location and in the ending point, drag the pointer like this to make a curved path like this. Now go to Layer Properties, Contents, Shape 1, then Stroke 1. Set the line cap to round cap, click the plus icon in the dashes, and set the amount of dashes. Now finally, go to Add, then Trim Paths, then go to its Layer Properties, make a keyframe of end, then move few seconds back and set the value to 0. And it's done. It's that simple. Now you can make map travel animations. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to know how I made these map animations, you can check out these videos.